Here's a Monarch Aire ML20P, I think. Where's tag? ML20R. It has the cap somewhere. Obviously not on the fan, but the switch cap does exist. Somewhere in there. Anyway, 2-speed model. I actually got this from my grandpa several years ago. And yeah, I just kept it because I like the sound of it. It blows really good air. And at the time I thought it was pretty neat and different. Still do. And this one's not leaving my possession because my grandpa had passed away 3-4 years ago now. So this one's not going anywhere. We'll start up on low. Motor has a little bit of a rattle to it. I think the thrust washers are gone. Now we'll go to high. Now we'll go to off. It uses a, I believe, oh, let's see. I believe that is a Marco motor, maybe? It's either a Marco motor or it's a small shaft Macmillan, but it's a full-size Macmillan. But I can't remember. But you can see the polish is still holding up on the blades from when I polished them last. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.